started, jump in here. How to use Photoshop's new feature called Generative Fill for artists when they have to work with difficult references. First of all, make sure that you have the latest update on Photoshop Beta. Here I am using the selection tool to remove the hands from the photo because we want only to keep the face and reveal the face, of course, because that's what we want to draw. It's not always going to give you the best result, so we are going to have to experiment around with it, play around with it until we get it done right. So far the lighting looks great, the bird looks a little bit longer, the face appears to be a little bit more clarified. We can see the structure well so far, and I think we can work with this one. So what do you think about this new feature called Generative Fill for us artists? What do you think of this tool? Let me know in the comments.